Hey everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the artsy crafty fun. So you may remember that I have recently joined the YouTube program at BeeBeeCrafts. This is where you get sent $30 to $40 worth of their craft products completely free. No credit card, no shipping charges, no hidden fees, completely free to your doorstep in a few weeks. All you have to do is make 3 videos for them. One is an unboxing where you show off all the amazing craft supplies that you received, and then 2 more DIY videos using those particular products. So I already did my unboxing video as well as my craft video last week. So if you missed any of those, you can click on the link above. So if you want to see how I make out using the items that I got from BeeBeeCraft and how you can also get some free products, let's get started. So today I'm going to be using this cute little wooden sign that I got for free at a yard sale, but it actually was from the Dollarama, had never been used and was worth $2, but free sounds a whole lot better to me. And in addition to that cute little wooden sign, I'm going to be using the stencil that I got from BeeBeeCraft, which is metal and is meant for wood burning, as well as these wooden beads. And to decorate it up a little bit more, I'm going to use one of the Dollar Tree calendars from this year, the Farmhouse one, and just using the little bit bigger picture that's on the back with the thumbnail pictures. So I was going to put this either in my kitchen or dining room, and it says, "This is where we laugh, love, talk, sing, smile, pray, and eat." So I thought that was really cute. So I cut out the little saying and used some Mod Podge to glue it on the middle of my sign. Now I was going to use the stencil to embellish the sign further, but since the little pictures on here were so tiny, as they were meant for wood burning, I thought paint might not work very well, so I decided to use some marker. And they actually worked really well. In some instances, the little veins and leaves were a little bit too thin for the marker, but I did have a fine tip marker and it worked pretty good. So I put on a variety of cacti, leaves, a little mushroom, and a maple leaf. And then once I finished all my little embellishments, I went over the whole thing with a layer of Mod Podge and let it dry. So my idea was to replace this jute twine with the beads that I got from BeeBeeCraft. So first I was going to just cut off the one end of the jute twine and try to string the beads on it. But the holes in the beads were a little bit too small. So I ended up cutting the whole jute twine off and then took a piece of floral wire and threaded the beads on that. Then I just used a staple gun to attach the beaded handle on top of my little kitchen sign or trivet, and I thought it looked pretty cute. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, and also check out the description box for details on how you can join the BeeBeeCraft YouTube program and get some free products for yourself.